Connecting your MacBook Air or Pro to an HP docking station is straightforward with newer docks supporting Thunderbolt via USB-C. The key is ensuring compatibility. Look for the Thunderbolt symbol, lightning bolt, on the dock. While HP docks were initially designed for Windows, modern macOS versions and HP firmware updates have significantly improved cross-platform functionality. You'll be able to utilize features like multiple displays, Ethernet, USB ports, and audio through a single cable. Be mindful that older HP docks might have limited compatibility due to driver conflicts or lack of Thunderbolt support. Always check HP's website to confirm if your specific dock model works well with macOS before purchasing or setting up. First, check compatibility by confirming your dock model supports Thunderbolt and macOS on HP's website. Next, gather your materials: the HP dock, a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable, any external monitors you plan to use, an optional Ethernet cable, and your USB peripherals. Now, connect the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from your MacBook to the dock's corresponding port and power on the dock. Your MacBook should automatically detect the dock. If prompted, allow any driver installations to proceed. Connect your monitors to the dock's HDMI or DisplayPort ports. Then open System Settings, Displays on your MacBook to arrange the screens. Most MacBooks support up to 2 external 4K displays. Finally, connect your USB peripherals and Ethernet cable to the dock's available ports. If you encounter any issues, ensure both your macOS and dock firmware are up to date. A simple MacBook restart can often resolve connection problems.